Voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises.
Igbo Queen, welcome to the Voice of My People Global. My name is Emmanuel Anya. This is where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises. I have an important person with me here, and we are going to go right into our conversation. He's going to introduce himself, and I just want you to listen. There's so much to gain from this episode. We are talking about investment. We're talking about Capital City, a real estate company. So please, I'd like you to join me. Let's welcome my guest. Please, you can introduce yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. My name is Njoku Kalu. I work with City Core Limited, a subsidiary of Capital City Development Limited. Capital City Development Limited is a real estate company based here in Port Harcourt with branches in 13 states of the country. We've been in business for 10 years going right now. I was celebrating our 10 years anniversary January this year. We're doing well.
Wow.
In fact, Capital City has carved a niche for itself in the real estate industry in Nigeria. Our MD CEO, architect Kalu, is a seasoned architect who knows his onions in the business of real estate. Now, I'm talking about City Core. City Core is one of the subsidiaries. There are others, Capital City Estates. They are the direct owners of lands. They are the ones that sell land, they acquire, sell, make sure that your papers, documentations are hassle-free, they deliver on good time. And there's also another subsidiary called Africa. It's a civil engineering subsidiary. They are architects, civil engineers. They construct, they design, they build, they deliver on record time. Then there is also another subsidiary called Property Trade. These ones deal on third-party sale of properties. What I mean by third-party sale is they may not be really owned by Capital City. Anybody that owns a property anywhere in the world that wants to sell it or wants to buy can contact us through Property Trade Limited. We'll sell for you, we'll buy for you. We should make sure that you get value that you desire. Then the fourth subsidiary, which is where I represent City Core Limited. For the records, I'm the head of operations of City Core Limited. We are the financial arm of Capital City Development Limited. We are more like, we sell real estate too, but you don't build on our land. You just do kind of land banking, realizing value for your money over a period of time. So people patronize us all over the country, in the diaspora. A lot of people online, real time, come on and buy lands from us. After a period of 6 months or 12 months, as the case may be, they get their resale profit. Currently, we are running a promo in the whole of Capital City Development Limited, including City Core. We are doing a 6 months promo. Ordinarily, we call it 6 months in Christmas, where Christmas starts for us in July and runs all through to December. Our clients, our partners, we give them that feel of Christmas. We don't have to wait till Christmas to buy a bag of rice or to buy a cow or to buy a special car to go home for Christmas. You can get that car now in August. You can get another car again in September, October, November, and the big one in December. So it started in July. So before now, when you buy our estate in City Core, when you buy a portion of our estate in City Core with a minimum value of 500,000 naira and no maximum, after 6 months, we'll give you 15% value of resale profit added to it for you. You find out that this is an idle fund, your money works for you, passive income, you just let it lie with us, we invest it in our estates. After 6 months, we return the money to you plus your 15% resale profit. If what happens, the same thing happens when you leave it for 1 year. For 1 year, you get 30% resale profit. It's very fantastic. And as I'm talking to you, people are rushing us People are rushing because it gives life to their idle fund. If you leave the money somewhere in a box, it doesn't yield nothing. But while you are doing your normal transactions, doing your normal businesses, your idle fund is generating that amount of returns to you.
That's great.
So under these 6 months of Christmas, we upped our game. For the 6 months, you get 75.5% resale profit. And for the 1 year, 12 months, you get 35% resale profit. And then as soon as you deal with us, to guarantee your security, we'll give you a positive check. That positive check comprises your principal amount plus the resale profit that will accrue to you in the 12 months or the 6 months, as the case may be. So in your hand, if you engage today, in your hand, you get a positive check
for the whole amount.
For the whole amount.
Wow.
So all you just need to is allow the time to play out. You can take it to your bank or bring it to us. We have cases where people just say, no, I don't have time to go to bank. What do we do? Please bring the check to us. We'll create your account from our office. We just do transfer to you. So at the end of the day, we are working for you. We are helping you create wealth. We are helping you increase your wealth. We are helping you. In fact, we do a lot of things to it. One of our products is called buyback. It's a new intro. No, I don't know if it's a co-build. Sorry to say. It's co-build. I've mentioned buyback. Co-build is where we partner with clients to build any structure they want. 3-bedroom flat, 4-bedroom flat, duplex, terrace, whatever. Even improving your estate, the environment in your compound. We can partner with you.
Okay, you provide
you provide funding.
You provide funding.
The person
provides the land.
You provide the land.
Okay.
And then we reach an agreement. Oftentimes we structure it that you may want to sell it. People that come for that product do not want to really keep it. After the period when the project is completed, we'll give time, sell it, and then we share the profits.
That's beautiful.
So right now, people are rushing it. People are seriously rushing it. We're having calls to left, right, center from within Nigeria and outside the country. And then I want to appreciate our people. You started by saying Igbo Kwenu. The Igbo man is a very industrious person, and he goes for where it happens. No matter the climate, no matter the environment, no matter the weather, the Igbo man goes there to get something out of it, because we believe in Akurulo.
Yeah.
Because we strive, we go out of our way. Like the Bible says, he that observes the weather will not sow. Who that observes the climate will not reap. So we don't look at those things. The moment a business opportunity like this comes up, we dive for it. We dive for it. I didn't say die. We dive for it. And a lot of people are smiling home. In fact, we have lots of testimonies. You see our brochure. If you go online into our website, you will see people testifying what the company has done for them.
That's amazing. And these things you're saying, many occasions we hear wonderful things like this. Is it very guaranteed?
Yeah.
Yes, very guaranteed.
Very guaranteed. Guaranteed in the sense that Capital City Development Limited is registered with the relevant authorities in Nigeria. We are being regulated. CAC is aware of our existence. RADAM, the Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, is aware of our existence. In fact, City Core, SEC, is aware of our existence. In other words, you don't have any legal fear of our operations and the things we do. Very guaranteed, and we have testimonies to show for it. Let me tell you, being in business for 10 years, wholly indigenous business, started in Port Harcourt, and will spread to Lagos, Abuja, Benin, Umuahia, Enugu, Uyo, Bayelsa, Warri, Asaba, Ibadan, Lagos. Currently, we've gone to Kano. We have Capital City Development in Kano branch. Despite what is happening in the Northeast, we are making inroads. We are making inroads to go to Maiduguri.
Wow.
Yes.
Do you have things like mortgage system?
Yeah, that is where City Corp comes in, mortgage financing.
Okay.
Yeah. We are reaching out. There's this product we have, I didn't mention it, NHF and 25% retirement savings account.
Okay.
So we reach out to civil servants that have contributed to the Federal Mortgage Bank,
okay,
and then help them assess They are legally provided funds and then help them acquire property. The law says those funds should be utilized in property mortgage acquisition. Let me use it. Yeah. So we help them tailor that fund in mortgage acquisition. And we have some clients that are...
Do you do this for maybe bankers?
Yeah, organized income earners.
Okay, I like the word organized.
Yeah, organized income earners. The reason is this. The Federal Mortgage Bank requires a track record.
Of him, yes.
They're going to profile the clients. He must have contributed no less than 6 years with them and then still have some years left in service.
Okay.
So it makes it tailored for a particular set of persons, not just anybody that walks in and says, you know. So, but if you want us to do mortgage finance for you as an individual, that is where co-build comes in.
And you do this within those states you mentioned. You can do.
We can do in other states. That's where we have branches.
Okay.
So assuming we don't have a branch in your state, currently we are trying to go to Cross River State. We've not gone there. But you want us to finance your project in Calabar, we do it for you. Even though we don't have a branch there. Our AfriCorps civil engineers, they are on ground to go to any part where their services are required. Anywhere their services are required. But for City Corps, we are on ground to finance whatever project you want. We write an agreement, is a partnership. We collaborate with us. Oftentimes, we will involve the Capital City Estate, the owners of land, in case you don't have a land. Capital City Estates will provide the land. We provide the other requirements that you need.
Do you do things like, buying maybe properties that are like abandoned and you build on it? If someone wants to, well, I don't know what they call it.
Improve it.
Yes.
Yes.
You do that.
Improve it. We do that. We do that. And those are, in fact, that is the next level of real estate development. Most urban centers, most cities are having structures that are old, that doesn't fit into the environment, the ambience of that environment. I went to Moya recently. I identified a lot of houses that shouldn't be there anymore. So, but then if the owners come, they want to dispose it. What are we doing here for? We quickly take it, pull it down, raise a structure, and people come and take it.
That's amazing.
So that is, like I say, that is the next level. Even out there, outside the country, city centers are transforming because of this product you just mentioned now. Because some of those buildings, they have overstayed their welcome, the environmental requirements, they don't meet that standard anymore. So if we get such offers, we take it as a company, improve that place, and then dispose it.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. And we're going to take a break now, and in a short while we'll be back.
Thank you very much.
Are you Igbo? Do you have a real story? One that can inspire generations? Do you want the world to know what you will do or what you are? Then the Voice of My People Global is your platform. We are the heartbeat of Igbo identity, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises. From entrepreneurs to artists, from culture lovers to change makers, we tell authentic Igbo stories loud and proud across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Don't just watch, be heard. Your voices matters. Your journey can inspire. Your roots are your power. Call us now or today on 0810-460-4455 or reach us on WhatsApp to begin your journey with us. The Voice of My People Global, celebrating Igbo excellence, sharing Igbo stories, uniting Igbo voices. Join the movement, be the voice.
Welcome back. We still have our guest, and he's going to be telling us more about real estate and investment. Now, we want to look at it this way. This program is actually tailored to showcase Igbos who are doing, remarkable things in different fields. And we know that beyond Igbos, the whole world is listening. And I want you now to speak to our Igbo brothers. You know, a lot of Igbos, we love to build, we love to invest in things like this. Now, since it's coming from someone that is their own, now I'd like you to talk to them, speak to them, encourage them, tell them this, tell them about what they can gain coming in. We have a lot of platforms where Igbos are involved in. So when we reach out to them with this message, we are sure they will respond. So I'd like you to talk to them.
Thank you very much. Like I said, Ahamu Njoku Kalu, Aubonye, Abia State, Aboriginal government to be precise. My company is a wholly indigenous company. My MD CEO, architect Uche Kalu, is from my place. Now, I've said it before that the Igbo man, at the back of his mind, believes in Akurulo. No matter what you build in Lekki, no matter what you have in Houston, no matter what you have in Johannesburg, because my people are all there doing very, very well. At the back of their mind, have you asked yourself that we rush Christmas like there won't be another one? Among all the tribes in Nigeria, at least I have the benefit of, I schooled in Benue, my secondary school was in Benue. I've worked in Lagos, my university was in Abuja, then I did my banking career in Yola, Adamawa State. So I have the benefit of insight to have interacted with different tribes in this country. But at every point in time, even right now in August, a lot of Igbos are thinking of the date they will leave for Christmas. We don't play with it. And the driving force there is the Igbo man wants to have a home called his own in his village. So if that is true, we are here. Capital City is here. Africa is here to help you build. Let me off the mic at this point. We've had situations where you send money to your uncles, brothers, and relatives to deliver a project for you. At the end of the day, nothing happens. Nothing. You don't call police for them because Omonna will tell you the matter ends there. But when we saw that gap, it has affected some persons. Some people came home from US and got heartbroken. We can mention, count numbers. So Africa, Capital City stood in the gap. We have clients in the diaspora that are building mansions in their village through us. We have clients all over the world that want to buy choice lands in these cities I mentioned, or even the ones I didn't mention. We have Gold Town, our prime product in Port Harcourt, that goes for 65 million naira, a portion of 500 square meters. Okay. That Gold Town is a prime product select for those that no class. We also have products for the low income, the middle class. So, but I'm trying to appeal to those that don't have the time to come supervise their projects. We do it for them. So the Igbo man that wants to build or to leave some investment back home, Capital City Development Limited / City Core Limited, we are here to serve you and serve you well. Our numbers are there, our website is there, everything for you to check us out is there. But I can assure you, we have testimonies. We have testimonies. During January, we don't rest. During Christmas period, 2 weeks to Christmas and 2 weeks after January, we don't rest because you need to attend to them, give them their documents, give them their checks, give them all they have given to you over the year before they fly back. In fact, most of our clients within that period are people that came in for Christmas, and we are happy to attend to them. We get their standing instructions. In fact, we also pay school fees, pay stipends to their relatives. City Core will do it. You give us instruction, these 10 names at 30th day of every month or 28th day of every month, because February doesn't have 30. On 27th of every month, share this amount of money to them. We do it comfortably.
You do some banking
elements of it from your return on investment. From your ROI will distribute it the way you want it to be distributed. So that saves you the trouble, the headache of they're always on you, calling you. By the time they know that on that date, they'll get alert from us, they are good to go.
You take a lot of responsibility.
We off their shoulder. Just get us involved.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Get us involved. We take a lot of responsibilities for you. We are there to serve you and serve you very well. Like I said, we have clients in the diaspora that we are helping to keep watering their ground. You know, it's a point. I have a case of somebody in my they'll say, since he went to when I know Lia and I know Korea, do we hear from him? Do we see him? But right now, City Call makes you present in your home when you are not there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like that. I like that. Okay, like parting words. What do you say? Because a lot of people, you know, Nigerians, we've had a lot of funny things happening, investment going wrong. Well, I want you to speak to the fears. Just assure people that this is worth doing.
What we do is genuine. What we do is legit. Like we give you 2 documents that are legally binding on us. We give you a contract of sale that binds us. This contract is a legal document that if you take it to a court of competent jurisdiction, the veil of incorporation will be lifted if we do not perform our part. And then the promoters of our company will jointly and severally be liable for it, including pay fine or go to jail or both. And nobody will want to go to jail on something you should have done good at the right time. We also issue you a positive check. We all know that a dot check, a bounce check is a criminal offense in this country, as far as EFCC and Financial Intelligence Monitoring Unit is concerned. So, but when we commit ourselves to a positive check to you, it means on that date, we don't have anything else apart from the obligation to deliver to you. So no company, no corporation, no individual will want to take that risk. We don't take that risk. We make returns. We regularly, the regulatory agents, including FRS, look into our books and see what we are doing. So if you want the assurance of the legitimacy of what we do, yes, I'm aware, sir. I'm aware a lot of things have gone around, a lot of waters have gone under the bridge in recent times in this country. But we have a daylight address. We have integrity. We have name to protect. Like I said, we've been in this business for 10 solid years. 10 years we've celebrated excellence. 10 years we've celebrated performance. And 10 years we have customers, clients speaking for us. I want to use this medium to allay your fears. Come deal with us. You'll be happy you did.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
We are assuring you that Capital City, what they're saying to us, it's good for you and you can go to bank with it. The numbers are going to be on this video. You can reach out to our guest. You'll be able to talk to him via mail or WhatsApp. So I want to thank you all. I want to thank you, sir,
thank you very much, sir,
for the opportunity to be with us, and we are grateful. And thank you all.
Thank you so much. Culture
is speaking. Truth is echoing. Hope is rising.